If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I want to thank all the new subscribers, and I want to thank you for the comments on my new haircut. Unexpected, but very much appreciated by me and my stylist, Ask for Mia. You can see her on Instagram. Today we're continuing with our video series on Thanksgiving side dishes. Unless this is your very first Thanksgiving or you've just landed on planet Earth, you know what's in this can. Yes, it's that jellied cranberry sauce that people pretend, they would never eat that. We all eat it, we all love it. It's delicious, but it does have a lot of sugar in it. So if you want to make your own, I'm going to show you a really easy way to do it. With a simple bag of cranberries. Now, every bag of cranberries has a recipe on the back, how to make your own homemade cranberry sauce, but they all have a lot of sugar in them. So I'm going to show you a way to make it with no sugar, but we are going to use apple cider instead of water, which will help bring up the sweetness. And if it's still not as sweet as you'd like it, we're going to throw in a little honey. So let me show you how it's done. In a saucepan, add 14 ounces of cranberries with 1.5 cups of apple cider. Cook the berries over medium heat until they start to bubble, then pop. Continue cooking until the berries foam up and the majority of them have opened. Then pour the berries into a sieve and press them, releasing all the juice. Taste test for sweetness and add enough honey to bring it to the level you want. Stir and pour into a serving bowl and then chill. I added the tiniest amount of honey because I like it tart. If you want it sweeter, just add a little more honey. Also, rather than putting it through the strainer, you can put it through a food mill or you can just whip it up in the blender. It depends on how smooth you want it, how little pulp you want it. It's very easy. And I'm just going to take a taste. That is just the way I like it. And it's so good when it's cold out of the fridge. And because it's such a bright flavor, it really lifts up that Thanksgiving meal because, come on, let's face it, you've got stuffing, you've got turkey, maybe you've got mashed potatoes. It's a lot of heavy, heavy food. This gives it a little pick-me-up. So I hope you'll try it and I hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. It's free.